Right, as you can guess, we're here. We are obviously at the prison. We're just doing a bit of a walk around, having a look before we start doing out a bit of doing our investigation. So I'm just gonna go up to the block. Door's open, yeah. I'm gonna go up here. Hopefully the signal's okay. Sea wing. Oh. Oh, no one's in here, I don't think. Just bear with me for a minute. Right, yeah, so I'm here on my own. That's Paul's voice, he must be downstairs. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can have a look. Can you come closer? Can you try and speak to us? We're not sure if we heard you or it was someone else. No, down, innit?
No,
Is it?
that was above to me.
Right, let me go up. I'm going up.
Up next level.
Aren't you on this one? This one you are, aren't you?
Oh yeah, it's the other block.
It's the other block. I'm going up.
It sounds like a rolling.
So, shall I go up?
Why?
And then you can call...
What was that?
That was their elbow.
Oh,
It's up to you.
I'm not bothered.
Sue, is it in here we put them blocks? Children's blocks?
Oh,
Is that?
no, I don't know what we put in here.
I'll go up. Then you can do calling out, because I was putting them in here. I was telling you upstairs.